Matthew, you want to say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Show your face. Say hi, I miss you. 3 months old. Say hello. Say I'm 3 months old. It's June 27th. I'm getting so big. Can you smile for Mommy? Hi, baby. Hi. Smile. Look over here, babes. Look over here. Okay, he's not doing much. I tried. He was all smiles a minute ago, but we just wanted to say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. We love you. Right, Matt? Say love you. Say bye-bye. Come on, give him one smile. Give him one smile. Give him one smile, baby. Okay.